Hi Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame Soulmate and Love Connection Energy reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Taurus, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message does not resonate with you, Taurus, I would suggest to look into your Moon, your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. And on today's reading here, Taurus, I'm going to be looking into both of your energy and your person energy. And then towards the end of the reading, I'll be pulling some advice card or spirit cards messages for both of you. Now let's look at into the reading here, Taurus. On this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I've got coming up for you here, Taurus, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. And then I'm also getting a very strong earth energy coming up here, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Any of those signs can be in your chart or in your person chart. Now looking into your energy here, Taurus, I'm right away getting a very strong third party energy or a karmic situation coming up here. For some of you here, Taurus, this third party situation can be coming up from your energy, can be coming up from your person energy. But in this case, I'm honestly getting on both of your sides. So you may have your own third party situation or karmic situation here, and your person may have their own third party situation or karmic situation. Now, the third party situation or karmic situation will be vary from person to person. It does not mean or it doesn't necessarily have to be another person. This could be toxic friend, toxic family members. But at this time here, apart from the third party situation, a possibility of another person, like both of you could have another person, or both of you could be in a marriage or in a relationship with someone else here. I'm also getting a very strong motherly energy coming up here as well, Taurus, in the sense that I'm getting that there is either you or your person here might be suffering or might have some sort of like a mother issue, childhood trauma, family issue and family upbringing. Another thing here is that I'm getting a very strong surprise emotion coming up here. Some way I feel like you are being quite hesitant to speak up about how you feel and to speak up about what is it going on your mind. So it's almost like you are not honoring yourself enough is what I'm getting coming up here, Taurus. So the main energy that I've got coming up here, especially with this judgment energy, this is a very strong divine intervention energy that I've got coming up here, as well as divine timing. Honestly, I'm getting a very strong separation energy coming up quite strongly, and from the separation to be the union to happen between both of you here, Taurus, I'm getting it may take a little bit some time. And like I said before, the divine intervention and the divine timing is coming up quite strongly here, where both your patience and your emotional stability, or just like your emotional balance in general here, will be tested. Now the reason why it may take a little bit some time here, like I said before, there are certain things within yourself that you already know. I would say here, some of you here already know that you need to heal, or some of you here already know that you need to let go of a certain karmic situation, a certain third party situation, or just like to heal from within yourself here, to be more confident, to be more independent within yourself. But whether you are ready to go through that healing journey, or whether you are ready to go through the changes, is the biggest question at this time here, Taurus. Because at the same time here, I'm also getting a very strong hesitancy energy coming up here quite strongly from you. Maybe you are afraid and you just like don't know like what is going to be happening next if you go through the changes or if you go through the healing. Some of you here might already be quite comfortable where you are at this point of time, suppressing your emotion, unable to speak up. But one way or the other, this is definitely like not the healthy situation for you to be in. And the more that you are being stuck, or the more that you are forcing yourself to be stuck in this situation, you are the one who's actually going to be affected here, Taurus. Now looking into the energy of the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands energy coming up here, this is a very strong indication that there's definitely like a very strong soul connection coming up here between both of you here. Like I said before, I'm getting a very strong karmic and third party situation, but aside from that here, energetically both you and your person are quite similar, and this similarity here is what sometimes can be a huge trigger for both of you. So when it comes into like the positive aspect of the relationship or the positive aspect of the situation, things are looking really good. But at the same time here, when triggers happen or when there are some unnecessary misunderstanding, for example here, it's also going to be blowing up out of proportion. It's also another thing that I've got coming up here. So that's it for your energy. Now let's look at into your person energy coming up here. Like I said before, I've also got the Queen of Wands energy coming up here. Another huge confirmation about a possible third party situation or possible of another person that they are currently stuck with. And like I said before, an elderly female energy coming in here as well. So mother issue. In some cases this could also be talking about father issue, but in general here I would say some sort of like a childhood trauma or inner child trauma, emotional pain, emotional trauma from the past that has been suppressed for a very long time. I'm not only talking about a few months or few years. I'm talking about 10-20 years of pain and trauma that both of you just like kept inside yourself, like has been keeping inside yourself. It's almost like both of you here are just like piling up one thing after the other to a point where now is acting up as a huge time bomb here, Taurus. Now looking into the energy into your person here, I do feel like they do realizes that there is a very strong soul connection coming in here between both of you, especially with the Six of Cups here. I feel like some of you here, Taurus, like I've known each other for a very long time, like either during your childhood, maybe like during your school or high school years. Like both of you have gone like a very long time, I would say here. And again, this is also another reason why it can be a little bit tiring here as well, like the same cycle getting repeated over and over again. The major fear or the major trauma that I'm getting coming up from your person here, Taurus, I've got the Eight of Cups and then I've got the Ten of Swords energy coming up here. Fear of being left out alone, fear of being backstabbed, I would say here. I feel like for some reason here, I feel like your person had gone through relationship after relationship, or even like this could be talking about that mother issue or the father issue that I've got at the beginning of the reading, where they are being manipulated, or maybe like once they were kid, they were just like being left out by their father or by their parents in general here. So they never really gotten that love and the care and that sense of being protected, that sense of like being understood, like being listened and being cared to. So this is serving up as a defensive wall up surrounding themselves, because right now on their mind here is that no matter who they are with, this person is just going to hurt me. Those are all the thoughts that they have within themselves at this point of time. The fear is that if they are opening up themselves once again to trust another person here, they are the ones actually going to like get hurt. And because of the series of pain and trauma that they have to go through all this time here, like I said before, this is not about few months pain or few years pain. I'm talking about 10-20. For some here, this is like a lifetime, I would say here. And they haven't really healed from that, and they don't even know how to do that. So it's like if you even if you try to tell to like your partner here or your person here that you would never leave them, you would always be with them here, for some time they would like they would believe you. But after that here, they would also question like, is this even real? Like, why am I feeling this way? So unless and until they actually face, okay, this is my fear, this is my biggest fear, this is what I need to heal from within myself, unless and until they're actually facing that, it's like both of you just going to be going in a circle is what I'm getting here, Taurus. Let me pull some advice card or spirit guides message for both of you here, Taurus. I've got past life coming up here. Release your past life karma. You are an old soul with deep wisdom. Healing your past life will raise your vibration. This is a very intense reading, I would say here, because I've got so many confirmation that this person is definitely like your true soulmate, I would say here. And not only that, both of you have a very strong past life connection coming up here. Like there is no no denial. This is an intense past life connection that still in like that are still coming up here as well in this present time. And not only that, here, like I said before, the pain and the trauma here, this is also part of a past life karma. Again, for some reason, I mean, like for some people this is talking about their past life. For other people here, this is talking about their past. So like I said before, childhood trauma, inner child trauma, the pain and the trauma is what I'm getting coming up here. And how do both of you break this cycle is understand first, understand the emotion, accept the emotion, letting go of the emotion, and then start the healing journey. Unless and until that happens, again, like I said before, it may take a while is what I'm getting coming up here, Taurus. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.